I'll show you how to quickly replace the battery in an iPhone 13. As usual, we want to take out the two pentalobe screws with a pentalobe screwdriver. Then grab our heat plate, which is set at 90 degrees. Place our iPhone on the heat plate facing down for about 1 minute. To open the screen, you can either use an opening tool or a suction cup. A suction cup usually works best if the screen is not cracked because it sticks to the glass more easily and can help lift the screen with less risk of damage. Here you can see I'm applying some 99% rubbing alcohol. This will also help soften the adhesive. Heat and 99% rubbing alcohol will help you take out the screen a lot easier and safer. Now I gently use the suction cup and keep pulling out gently. So you can see here, I'm not forcing it, just going gentle, and gradually it's going to start to get open. We're just looking to make a gap. Once we make a gap, then we can grab our guitar pick and insert the guitar pick in between the gap. That way we can use the guitar pick to start cutting through the adhesive. While we do this, we want to keep adding rubbing alcohol. Make sure it's 99% and gently use the guitar pick to start cutting through the adhesive. You can see I'm cutting with an up and down motion, not forcing anything. Once I get to the top, I like to go around to the other side. Then keep repeating the process. Apply more alcohol, keep cutting through, up and down motion. This is the safest way to take the screen out without damaging it. Make sure you use a lot of patience. If you force it, you end up damaging your screen. And once we get to the top, I like to take the guitar pick out and also take the suction cup out. I like to wiggle the bottom side to side, apply a little bit of alcohol on both corners, wiggle some more, then your phone should be open. Now open it to the left side. Next, we want to take out the two shields, holding down the battery's flex cables and the flex cables connected to the screen. Use a Phillips screwdriver to take out the 3 screws on the bottom shield. Once the shield is out, right away we want to disconnect the battery. Then take out the 3 screws, holding out the other flex cable. 2 of the screws, we can use a Phillips screwdriver, but for the last screw, we'll need a tri-point screwdriver. Then disconnect the 2 flex cables. And there you have the screen out. To easily take out the battery, I like to apply 99% rubbing alcohol to the top. That way it flows in. Same thing in the bottom, letting it flow down. And place the phone on the heat plate to let the alcohol and heat soften the adhesive. While the phone's on the heat plate, I'll grab a plastic sponge, then lift the battery from the side. That easy, the battery's out. Now I'll put the replacement battery. To get the battery to stick, I like to use double-sided tape on the top, on the bottom right, and on the bottom left. Then to align my replacement battery properly, I'll connect the battery flex to the connector. And I'll push down the battery and press down gently. Once I feel the battery is firm, I'll disconnect the battery, then reconnect the screen. I'll connect the 2 flex cables, then connect the battery. Now screw down both shields, starting with the top, then the bottom. Then I'll snap back the screen, starting from the top, all the way to the bottom. And don't forget to put back your 2 pentalobe screws. Turn on the phone to test. And now you have your phone with a new battery. All the tools and parts are linked in the description below. This next video is the one to watch. It covers the exact tools you need as a beginner, so you're not guessing or wasting money on the wrong kit.